Ah, the tricks of the trade. Well, you know, what's really funny is I could get these two in here, a lot of work, and then I couldn't get this to line up, and then I could, you know, get this to line up, and just couldn't get it in there. You know, I got this whole thing apart. But you know what? I think we got it. Now, the trick is here. These are going to be really tough to line up. You just want to get this a little bit in. You can feel it when it starts in the nut up here. Okay? Now, then you want to have this one out and basically put a big screwdriver and push, because you got to stretch that bushing a little bit back in there, and then you can kind of get this guy going. And they're long bolts, so it takes a while. Once I got this started and in, that would pretty much hold this, and then it went in a lot easier. So now I've finally got that in there, and you can see it's pretty substantial. A new ball joint's gonna be good. But anyway, again, got the lights on it, which I like. Just tighten the, again, keeps me from having to turn wrenches. A little noisy out here, but hey. Put her in, and then this last one back here.